Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to measure distance in Apple Maps. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is of course go and turn on your Apple device. So it can be of course a tablet, or it can be an iPad, or an iPhone, and then you just need to go and find the maps in the search bar, or of course by looking at the icon. Now when you open the app, it will look like this. You of course have to have your account logged in and everything. And now let's see what we have in front of us. So as you can see, here you can have the map and you can go and move. You have the search maps, you have the favorites, recents, where you have been, etc. And you have your profile here underneath the microphone. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and measure the distance in Apple Maps. So first of all, launch, as I told you, on your Apple iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Then use the search bar to find your starting location, or press and hold the drop a pin. Tap on the drop pin or the location, then choose measure distance from the option and appear on iOS. The measure distance on another location, tap add point. You can continue to add points to measure multiple segments. The distance will be displayed between the points you've selected, giving you a clear measurement. This method is great for both straight line distance and creating custom routes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.